Hello guys, hope you guys are well. Today I just want to come on here to show you guys how I installed this new wig on my head, and I just want to talk about the wig a little bit more for you guys if you're interested. This wig I'm about to install on my head is very easy to put on because the wig was already customized for me. They've already plucked the hair. She has already dyed the hair, she dyed the hair brown and black, and the texture of the hair was really soft. It looked like my real hair. It's like the natural hair that you straightly, natural hair that you straighten. So I can't talk, sorry guys. The hair was very easy to install, and I must tell you, this method I used to install the hair, I still have the wig on, and by the time I'm talking to you guys, the hair is on my head for 4 days. I'm not joking. So the wig comes customized. So this company offer customized wig. They can dye the wig for you if you're interested. They'll customize it to your head shape, and they offer different hair texture, different wigs, different lengths, whatever that you're interested in. It's an easy to wear hair, like a hair for a beginner. If you don't know how to pick the front of your wig, if you don't know how to bleach your wig, if you don't know how to dye your wig, if you are confused about what wig to get, just message them. They will give you all the tip, and they will find you the right wig. I'm not joking. This wig was the easiest wig I've ever received, except the one that I do by myself. This she understands me when it comes to this wig. I'm very lazy, and it takes me time to install my wig. But this was very easy because she has already done all the work. I didn't have to do anything else than install the wig on my head, which I find amazing. I will pay for that, because some wig come and you have to pluck the wig. You have to still customize the wig to your head shape and all that. But this one came already done. What more can you ask for? It was amazing. So guys, the texture of this wig, amazing, very soft guys. It just feels like a natural hair that was straightened. And I don't have anything else. I don't have any complaint. I would recommend this wig 101%. The length was perfect. It feels really soft. All I had to do was just to add some coils to make it look bouncy, and it was not scanty. It was properly made. Amazing. Guys, I'm in love with this hair. And I had a lot of compliments wearing this hair. Everybody was like, "Oh, I like your new hair." Thank you, guys. Thank you. I look good. Okay. If any question that you need to know about this hair will be at the description bar. Let me know what you think and your thoughts. Let me know if you like this type of hair on me. Let me know. And I will be offering you guys 15% off. Discount will be at the description bar. Okay, bye guys.